Did you know that by 2050, our planet will need to feed nearly 10 billion people? Climate change, soil degradation, and dwindling water supplies make this a daunting challenge. But there's hope. Agricultural engineers are pioneering solutions that let us grow more food while preserving the environment. Farmland is shrinking due to urbanization, soils are losing nutrients, and extreme weather threatens yields. Yet agriculture must supply 60% more food by mid-century. That's where agricultural engineering comes in. Agricultural engineering is the branch of engineering that applies mechanical, electrical, civil, and chemical concepts to agricultural production. It's about designing and improving systems that help us grow, process, and distribute food. Agricultural engineers solve problems related to machinery efficiency, power supplies, pollution control, and product storage. They design farm equipment, test machinery and structures, and oversee construction. The discipline emerged in the late 19th century when steam engines replaced animal power. Over time, engineers developed tractors, combine harvesters, and irrigation systems. Today's agricultural engineers work at the intersection of biology, data science, and robotics. Imagine a self-driving tractor plowing fields while sensors measure soil moisture. In the past, farmers relied on intuition. Now, machines make precise adjustments. Agricultural engineers don't work in isolation. They collaborate with farmers to identify challenges and develop tailored solutions. The relationship is cyclical. Farmers share practical insights, engineers translate those needs into design specifications. Precision agriculture is the practice of using AI-enabled sensors, GPS-guided machinery, drones, and data analytics to manage crops site-specifically. Precision ag combines hardware and software tools, robotic tractors, drone-aided monitoring, automated irrigation, electronic record-keeping, to make farming more efficient. Leading research programs provides a real-world environment where farmers and researchers test new technologies. For example, a farmer uses a soil sensor network to map nutrient levels across a field. Variable rate fertilizer spreaders apply nutrients only where needed, reducing waste and improving yields. The result? A healthier crop and a healthier environment. Envision yourselves as farmers receiving real-time data on their phones. You can adjust irrigation schedules from the palm of your hand. One of the most dramatic advances in agricultural engineering is the use of drones and robotics. By 2025, over 75% of large farms are expected to use drones for real-time crop monitoring. Drones equipped with multispectral, hyperspectral, and thermal cameras detect nutrient deficiencies, water stress, pests and diseases. They deliver variable rate inputs like fertilizer and pesticides, precisely to targeted areas and map soil texture, moisture and topography for zone-specific management. For example, a small quadcopter scanning a cornfield. Its thermal camera reveals where plants are wilting. The pilot, an agricultural engineer, programs the drone to drop water or nutrients precisely where needed, reducing runoff and saving money. Beyond drones, robotic tractors and weed-pulling robots now patrol fields. These systems reduce labor and can operate day and night. Viewers may be surprised to learn that autonomous tractors are already commercial products. What if the fertilizer you spread on your crops could release nutrients only when a plant needs them? Welcome to nanotechnology. Nanofertilizers are engineered particles that deliver nutrients in controlled doses. Research shows they can increase yields: wheat 20 to 55%, potato 20 to 35%, maize 20 to 40%, rice 13 to 25%. These fertilizers also reduce pollution because fewer chemicals run off into waterways. The particles have a large surface area and can be coated to release nutrients slowly. Some contain multiple nutrients in a single formulation. Farmers mix them with irrigation water or soil amendments. I'd like to caution that proper dosing is essential. Overuse can harm plants or ecosystems. Research continues to optimize nanofertilizer concentration and ensure safety. Nanoparticles can also deliver pesticides or protect seeds from disease. Sensors based on nanomaterials detect pathogens before outbreaks occur. Biotechnology has revolutionized medicine, but did you know it's transforming agriculture too? By 2025, biotech crops may cover over 200 million hectares. Precision agriculture using advanced biotechnology and data-driven techniques can increase yields by up to 30%. Tools like CRISPR allow scientists to edit DNA with extreme precision. Crops can be designed to resist drought, salinity, and pests, reducing the need for pesticides. New varieties of rice and wheat are being developed to thrive under heat stress. Gene editing and climate-resilient crops are a key part of the future. Biofertilizers and biopesticides use beneficial microbes to fix nitrogen or ward off pests. They reduce reliance on synthetic chemicals. Synthetic biology is exploring microbes that secrete fertilizers directly to plants. Genetic engineering raises concerns about biosafety and intellectual property. Regulatory frameworks and the importance of transparent labeling are the issues of the day. Healthy soil is the foundation of agriculture. Soil stores 2,500 gigatons of carbon, more than all life on land, and supports 95% of food production. Unfortunately, 52% of soils are degraded. Agricultural engineers develop conservation techniques to prevent erosion, rebuild organic matter, and enhance microbial diversity. Sensors measure pH, moisture, and nutrient levels in real time. Drones map soil variability across fields. Data analytics recommend when to plant cover crops or apply compost. Techniques such as no-till farming, contour plowing, and terracing reduce soil loss. Engineers design vegetative buffers along waterways to capture sediment. Regenerative practices like cover crops, reduced tillage, and manure application help soils store carbon. This not only mitigates climate change but also improves soil fertility. Healthy soil is like a sponge, storing water and nutrients. Water scarcity is one of the biggest threats to agriculture. Engineers design efficient irrigation systems, drip irrigation, micro sprinklers, and precision fertigation, to deliver the right amount of water at the right time. Engineering programs focus on devices and sensors that improve irrigation and nutrient use efficiency. Soil moisture sensors and weather forecasts determine when to irrigate. Pumps are controlled by computer algorithms. This not only saves water but also reduces energy costs. For example, a tomato farm in California uses drip irrigation with moisture sensors. Water use decreases by 30%, and yields increase due to stable moisture levels. The investment pays back within 2 seasons. In some regions, agricultural engineers design reservoirs, canals, and dams. They must balance crop needs with environmental flows for rivers and wetlands. What if you could farm anywhere, even on rooftops or deserts? Hydroponics, a form of soil-less agriculture, allows year-round cultivation in controlled environments. Studies show that hydroponic systems increase plant growth rates and yields compared with traditional farming. They reduce soil erosion and nutrient loss, while improving crop quality and flavor. Types of hydroponic systems: nutrient film technique, NFT, a thin film of nutrient solution flows over plant roots. Deep water culture, plants float on a nutrient solution, and air pumps supply oxygen. Drip systems, nutrient solution drips onto each plant's medium. Ebb and flow, trays flood and drain periodically. Aeroponics, roots are suspended in air and misted. Agricultural engineers design greenhouses with climate control, LED lighting, and automated nutrient dosing. Sensors regulate temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels. Such systems enable farming in harsh climates and urban environments. Vertical farming is an innovative approach that stacks growing trays in tall racks. LED lights mimic sunlight. Robots manage planting and harvesting. While energy costs can be high, vertical farms deliver fresh produce near city centers. Agriculture is undergoing a digital revolution. Researchers are developing AI-powered decision support systems that integrate weather forecasts, market data, and crop growth models. Blockchain may enhance supply chain transparency by recording how and where food is grown. Sensors in fields, tractors, storage bins, and supermarkets communicate to optimize operations. For example, grain silos transmit moisture data to prevent spoilage. Autonomous harvesters coordinate with drones to ensure timely picking of fruit. Robotic pollinators aid in greenhouses where natural pollinators are absent. Engineers are designing packaging materials from agricultural waste. These materials reduce plastic pollution and can compost back into soil. Genome editing tools are accelerating the development of heat-tolerant wheat and salt-resistant rice. Combined with soil and water management, these crops could secure food supplies in the face of climate change. With every innovation come challenges. Concerns include: 1. Accessibility. Advanced tools can be expensive. Smallholder farmers may struggle to adopt drones or sensors without financial support. 2. Data privacy. Precision agriculture generates vast datasets. Who owns this data? Farmers may worry about corporations using it for profit. 3. Environmental impacts. Misuse of nanofertilizers or genetically modified organisms could harm ecosystems. Long-term ecological studies are essential. 4. Ethical debates. Genetic modification remains controversial. Transparent regulation and public engagement are necessary. 5. Training and education. Farmers need training to use digital tools effectively. Without proper education, the technology may remain underutilized. If this field excites you, how can you get involved? Agricultural engineering is a professional discipline. Students study mechanics, plant science, electronics, and data analysis. Many universities offer specialized programs. Internships with farms or agritech companies provide hands-on experience. Career opportunities include working for equipment manufacturers, government agencies, research institutions, or startups developing autonomous robots. With the rise of global food challenges, the demand for skilled agricultural engineers is growing. If interested, explore local universities and consider STEM courses to get you started. Agricultural engineers come from varied backgrounds, rural and urban, mechanical and biological. From green fields to high-tech labs, agricultural engineering is shaping the future of food. By integrating science, engineering, and stewardship, we can meet global food demands while protecting ecosystems. Imagine a world where drones scout fields, nano-fertilizers nourish soils, and greenhouses bloom in deserts. It's not science fiction, it's happening now. If you're fascinated by how technology can solve global challenges, hit the like button and subscribe. Share this video to spread the word about agricultural engineering. Check out our other videos on engineering disciplines, and continue your journey of learning. Key takeaways. 1. Agricultural engineering applies engineering principles to farming, solving problems related to machinery, power, and resource management. 2. Precision agriculture uses sensors, drones, AI, and data analytics to optimize inputs and improve sustainability. 3. Drones are expected to be used by more than 75% of large farms by 2025 and enable precise crop monitoring, variable rate applications, and livestock oversight. 4. Nanotechnology and biotechnology increase yields and reduce environmental impacts, but require careful management. 5. Soil health is critical. More than half of soils are degraded, but conservation techniques and regenerative practices can restore fertility. 6. Hydroponics and greenhouses allow year-round farming and can increase yields while conserving water. 7. Ethical and socio-economic issues, including access, privacy, and environmental risks, must be addressed as technology advances. 8. Education and careers in agricultural engineering offer opportunities to innovate at the nexus of food and technology.